Hey guys, Binek back with the last video in our 6-part series talking about what is digital marketing. Today we're going to be talking about web design. Web design is arguably the most important piece out of all of the things that we discussed in the past. In fact, we discussed branding, social media marketing, online advertising, email marketing, and now we're talking about web design. Web design is the most important thing because it is the face of your business. If you don't have a great user experience or an optimized website, it doesn't matter how great your social media is, how great your emails are. All of your owned assets eventually lead back to your website. If your website is unusable, your customers are not going to take the actions that you want. Having a great website encompasses two things. One is that it's eye-catching and that it gets their attention and it's very clear what you want your customer to do. Whether it's order online, sign up for your email, have them, exchange their email for a potential promotion that you're having, or read your blogs, nurture them, whatever your website is, it should be very clear. And number two, and this is more technical, but it needs to be optimized. So many customers nowadays search on their phone, they search on their tablets. In fact, Gen Z users are using tablets a lot more than laptops nowadays. You need to be making sure that your website is optimized for all of those platforms. That means the text isn't running into each other, images load properly, videos load properly, your contact us form makes sense. In fact, your contact us form in your email newsletter or whatever kind of offer you have needs to be your number one priority whenever you are optimizing your site. If those things don't load properly, then why are you driving someone to your site? It's not going to end well for the customer. Anyway, web design is incredibly important. There's so many platforms out there that you can use. You can use Wix, Squarespace, Webflow, you name it. WordPress for that matter, if you're a little bit in tune with that kind of platform. There's so many platforms and solutions that you can use to increase the usability of your site. And if it's not usable now, it's very, very important to make sure that that is a number one priority for you moving forward with your digital marketing efforts. That being said, this is going to wrap up our 6-part series on what is digital marketing. I tried to keep these videos less than 5 minutes, and honestly, I think some of them were even just a minute long. The simple truth of the matter is, there is so much that you can unpack with each one of these pieces of the pie. If you thought that you learned a lot from these videos, definitely let me know in the comments. As a business owner and or as someone who is pursuing a career in digital marketing, going back to the basics is always one of the best ways to understand what you're actually trying to accomplish and what you're trying to do with your marketing and with your overall business goals. I hope that you found these useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.